Hey YouTubers, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's my first video ever in YouTube. I don't have any intentions to make a YouTube video, but let's see how things goes then. Anyway, as you can see right now in front of the camera, there is a Kamen Gaim belt, and so far that we have see all the 4 episodes of Kamen Rider Gaim, and we can see the appearance of Grape arm as well. And so far I like the Gaim itself, the orange arms and bananas arm. I will show you the tips to be Henshin into a Grape arms, and I think that the last one will be a melon arms. You don't have to wait for this things to come out and you purchase it. Well, we will purchase it later, but it's just a tips for you while waiting these things to come out. So as you can see as well in here, there's a difference between Gaim and Baron. I don't know how to say these things, plate. For Gaim, you cannot see there's a small things in here, while Baron have it. There you go. So I think that things will change the sound for the belt itself, since everybody's wearing the same belt. So let's try. Right now I'm having a small cotton bud in here, so for me to just plug it there. So if it's Baron, it will be below. For the Grape will be this one. Let's try. Oops, sorry for that. Let's try it again. See, as you can see, that is changing into hi. But I don't have the Grape lockseed yet, so just do it with the orange. So let's try. All right. Well, I think when you don't have the lockseed, I think that will be not much different, because the lockseed and the driver itself having the different batteries and different speakers. So we just have to wait this plate for the Grape and Grape lockseed itself. If you do the 1, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3, there's nothing different. It's just you having the orange squash until the orange Ole and the last part of it. Okay, that's the Grape one. Then how about the melon? Then you have to use another cotton bud or something small to plug it in. So while the Grape is still there, but just remove these things first, okay, shall we? Alright, so now let's try it. Wow, that's a very rock, but I like it. Okay, let's try to use this orange lockseed again, so just see it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. I think that's the melon then, because on the episode 4 I can see that the melon Kamen Rider is also using the same belt. So yeah, that's the tips and trick for you guys. So just if you would like to wait until the plate comes out, but you would like to have another and different sound effect, then you can try these tips for you. I hope it works for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it. well, I mean, like, comments below. But I'll see you again the next time. I see you again. Bye bye.